Hello everyone, this is Ravi. I have a total of 10 years of experience into Pega. So I am a CPDC, CSA, CWSA, CLSA Part 1 certified, and I have 4.5 years of experience in Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So I'll be the CPDC trainer throughout this course. This course is organized for 45 hours, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. Okay. So it will be from Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. So within 2 months, this course will be completed. So anyone wants to introduce about yourself? Please go ahead.
Hi Ravi, hi all. Myself Saurabh, this side. So I'm working with IQZ system and I have 4 years of experience in Pega. So I have completed my CSA and CWC certification, and now as per the requirement of our organization, I am planning to learn and complete the certification in decisioning.
Okay. So anyone else want to introduce? Okay. So then let us continue. So let's continue the training. So what is NBA or NBO? So NBA stands for next best action. Okay. NBA stands for next best action. NBO stands for next best offer. So first thing, what is mean by next best action? Next best action is nothing but the right offer to the right customer at right time. Okay. So for example, let us say a customer has purchased a laptop at Amazon. Now the Amazon, if it is trying to promote something like a laptop bag, which is a right offer because customer bought a laptop, maybe he might need a laptop bag. But if you try to promote that laptop bag, let's say after 2 months or 5 months, the customer might have already bought by that time. So promoting a right offer to the right customer at right time, you call that as NBA, which stands for next best action. Okay, it stands for next best action. So next best action, next best offer, both are same. So this particular course is a collaboration of Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So within this same course, we will learn Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So what is the difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing? So the Pega decisioning will focus, or the objective is to generate the next best action. Okay, so in Pega decisioning, right, what all we configure, what all we create in Pega decisioning, everything is mainly used to generate the next best action. But coming to the Pega marketing, the main objective is to deliver the next best action. Okay, it is to deliver the next best action. So that means, for example, in Pega decisioning, if a customer purchased a laptop, the Pega decisioning will tell you, okay, you can try to promote a laptop bag. This is the offer that we can promote. That's what it will tell. But coming to Pega marketing, it will have the features which will allow you to actually send those NBA to the customer, like through email, through SMS, through push notification, like that. Okay, so in Pega decisioning, we actually identify the offer, that is identify the next best action, and in Pega marketing, we actually deliver the next best action. So that is a primary difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So we will see more differences between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing as well. So why do we need NBA? Every business strive to improve their customer value and maximize the revenue by increasing the sales. So providing the best offer to the customer can significantly improve the business revenue and also generate more customers, right? So because instead of promoting something that customer might not need, if you promote something that customer is looking for, then it will definitely generate you more and more sales. So how do we know what customer is looking for is taken care by Pega decisioning only. So the Pega decisioning framework uses CDH to configure strategies, models, all these things are present in Pega decisioning. Okay, so we'll come to know all these things. So one typical example of next best action. So first, in the first icon, the Pega decisioning strategy is already having some logic. In the second icon, the customer is visiting the website. Okay, the customer is visiting the website. Immediately for this particular customer, one offer is triggered by the decisioning. Okay, one offer is triggered by the decisioning, and through marketing it is displayed to the customer. Then the customer is happy and the customer has purchased in the fourth icon. In the fifth icon, the marketing has identified how to send this to the customer. So in the last icon, probably through SMS, the offer is delivered, or through website, the offer is delivered. Okay, so the Pega decisioning has identified the offer. Customer is happy with the offer. Decisioning has identified, and Pega marketing has delivered that offer through a channel the customer is interested in, something like through website, through email, like that. So now coming to the differences between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So the Pega decisioning, we have all these particular features. The Pega decisioning mainly involves in logic creation that decides the next best action. Okay, that means you don't actually send anything through decisioning. The decisioning main objective is how to identify the best offer. Okay, the how to identify the best offer. For identifying the best offer, that is the next best action for the customer, we will build the logic here. In Pega marketing, whatever the decisioning has identified, how do we send that to the customer? Should we send through email? Should we send through SMS? How do we send that to the customer? That is what Pega marketing will do. Here in Pega decisioning, we have all concepts like strategies, models, data sets, all these things to identify the NBA. That is the generating the NBA. In Pega marketing, we have campaigns, actions, all these things in order to send the offer to the customer. Okay, so like this we have differences between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. In Pega decisioning, we call the next best actions as propositions. That means whatever the best offer we send to the customer. See, next best action, simple definition is the right offer to the right customer at right time. Okay, that is the meaning of next best action, so that the customer is very much happy because he is actually getting what he is looking for. So we call them here as propositions. In marketing, we call them as actions. So both of them use same portal, which is called Customer Decision Hub. Coming to the roles, we have three types of roles in both the Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So prior to 8, we used to have different certifications for Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. We used to have different courses. We used to have different certifications for Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. But after 8, there is only one certification that you might have already known, which is called PCDC. PCDC stands for Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant. Within the Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant only, you have both decisioning and marketing. Okay, both are there in same course, same certification. Okay, so coming to the access groups, we have CDH admin, CDH analyst, CDH manager. So one main requirement in order to learn Pega CPDC is you need to be CSA certified. Everyone who is learning or preparing CPDC, you have to be CSA certified. So I assume that all of you are already CSA certified. If not, you need to get CSA certification. Without CSA certification, no company is going to take you to the CPDC role. At least you need to have Pega CSA experience. In the worst case, if you don't have certification, you need to have experience. So if anyone does not have CSA experience, please highlight it right now so that we can discuss the alternative solution. So all of you are CSA?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then it should be fine. So the reason why we need to be CSA certified. Okay, so the basic reason, right, why we need to be CSA certified is the CDH admin will have access to both Dev Studio and also the Customer Decision Hub. But whereas the CDH analyst, he will not have access to the Dev Studio. So one major thing that all of you have to remember is, just because you are learning Pega CPDC, it doesn't mean that you will not do any core Pega work. Only 60 to 70% of your work will be in Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. The remaining 30 to 40% of work, you need to write the data transforms, you need to write the activities, you need to create the case types, data types, all these things you need to do it as a regular core Pega developer that you are doing. So that is the reason you have to be CDH administrator. CDH administrator will have access to both Dev Studio and also Customer Decision Hub portal. Okay, so you need to be CSA certified because of that reason. Because these data transforms activities, all that, they will be used to support the Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So only 70% of your work will be into decisioning and marketing. Okay, so now coming to the next slide, that is the certification. So like I told you just now, prior to 8, we used to have 2 separate certifications, like marketing consultant, decisioning consultant. But both of them are together clubbed into single one, that is called Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant. Okay, so I'll share the curriculum to you at the end of this session, where you can go through that curriculum and you can try to let me know if there are any topics are missing or you want something else to be covered. Okay, so I'll share that as well. But we will cover every single topic that is present in your certification. You can go through this link and see what all topics are there for PCDC. but every single topic will be covered. Okay, so that is for sure. So just be aware of that. Now coming to Pega 8.5 onwards, they have started something called one-to-one customer engagement. So previously we used to do one-to-many customer engagement. Yeah, see, even if you're CSA and CWSA, then you are fine. Okay, CSA is minimum. I'm into say. Okay, so just be aware of that. So one-to-many means we used to create a campaign. The campaign used to send offers to, let us say, 100 customers. Okay, out of 500 customers, 100 customers used to get offers. Remaining customers are lost. So remaining 400 customers are not getting any offers, which is a very bad practice. So every single customer should receive some particular offer. Either it is very much relevant to him or it is just less relevant to him. Okay, so this is what you need to be aware of, that either he is very much relevant or he is not less relevant, but everyone should receive the offer. So this is called as one-to-one customer engagement. That means one customer should receive one offer. That is the meaning of that. Okay, so we'll see more about that in the later sessions. So this is how CDH works. So actually just think this particular brain as CDH. Think this particular brain as CDH. The CDH is taking the input about the customer. Okay, like this is the customer's age, this is the customer's income. This customer has purchased the laptop last week. The customer's salary is this much. He will monthly, he will spend this much of amount. Now, based on all this data, it will do all these features: customer interaction history, predictive analytics, adaptive analytics, text analytics, all these things it will perform in the background, and it will give you next best action. Okay, like I told you, customer is spending on an average like 10,000 rupees per month. So he is spending 10,000 rupees per month. Maybe we can try to suggest some laptop headset. Okay, some costly headset or something like that, because the customer is having laptop but he is not having any headset. Maybe we can try to suggest some headset to him. So this kind of analysis will be done by using all these features, by taking the data of the customer as input and providing the next best action as the output. Okay, that is how the CDH works, so that the customer will be happy, because that is what he might be looking for, and he will purchase it. Okay, and he will purchase it, which will give some revenue for the business. That is the overall perspective why we are using CDH. Okay, now coming to the different portals that we have. So first one is CDH. Again, CDH stands for Customer Decision Hub. So both Pega decisioning people, Pega marketing people, both of them use the same portal. Again, whenever you actually complete this particular course, depending on your interest, whether you like to do Pega decisioning, whether you like to do Pega marketing, you can apply for that particular role. So in general project, generally Pega decisioning people will be different, Pega marketing people will be different. So but both of them use same portal, which is called Customer Decision Hub. So how do they differentiate is, you are seeing, right, some navigation is there here. some menu is there right here. So in the same navigation, some navigation features will be hidden for marketing team, and some navigation features will be available for decisioning team. Okay, some features will be hidden. Actually, some menu items will be hidden for them, and some menu items will be visible for them. Like that, the system is available. Okay, so yeah, that is the Pega CDH. And again, you call same portal, but because it is used by marketing people, we used to call it as marketing portal. But again, same portal, same thing. Just some navigation items will be disabled and some will be available for the people. That's it. The next portal that we have is Prediction Studio. So I believe that most of you have already seen Prediction Studio before. So this Prediction Studio is also there in your personal edition also. This is not having any license actually. Okay. So what is Prediction Studio? The Prediction Studio is mainly some decisioning analytics portal. So why do we use this Prediction Studio means? For example, if you want to create some models, adaptive model, predictive model, you can actually create it here. So main purpose of this is like for decisioning analytics. That means, let us say 100 customers, what did they purchase in the last 1 week? Let us say out of 100 customers, 70 customers has purchased iPhone, 30 customers have purchased some OnePlus phone. So why did 70% of customers buy iPhone? What is the reason? So is the iPhone a very good offer? Can we increase the propensity of iPhone? So I'll tell you propensity later. So like this analysis kind of thing will be done by the Prediction Studio. And whatever the output of that particular analysis is there, it will be provided to the strategy. Okay, so like it will analyze, why did these people buy this offer? Is this offer that much good? So why did these people did not buy this offer? What is the reason for not buying? So this information it will provide to the strategy. Okay, it will provide to the strategy, and the strategy will give you the output. Okay, this offer is very good for this customer, this offer is good for this customer, like that. So this is primarily a analytics portal where you actually do some analysis using these models like adaptive model, predictive model, text models, scorecard models, and all that. Yeah, so one question, even if you are working as Pega developer, you can still learn CPDC course. Okay, but only thing is people might ask you if you are CSA certified or not when you try to apply for CPDC job. So before you apply for CPDC job, please try to complete your certification. Okay, so coming back, this is the second portal that we have. First one is Customer Decision Hub, second one is Prediction Studio. The third one is Next Best Action Advisor. So this particular portal is out of scope for this course, but I will tell you what is the use of this. So I don't know how many of you worked on Pega customer service. So in Pega customer service, you might have seen this inbound calls, outbound calls, Pega chat, all these things. So why do we use Pega customer service here? Basically, let us say when a customer is having some issue, let's say the customer is not able to log into the portal. He will call to the customer care and he will say, okay, I'm not able to log into the portal, please try to resolve the issue. So the customer care person, he will resolve the issue. After resolving the issue successfully, the customer care person will try to promote some offer to the customer. Sir, actually I have seen that you have recently bought some mobile phone. So do you want to buy some earphones for that? Okay, because we have some discount running for you, so you want to buy some earphones or not? So this kind of thing, you do this kind of marketing on the customer service. Okay, that means the offers that are coming from Pega marketing will be displayed on the customer service portal to the customer service representative. So whenever customer calls to the representative, the entire customer 360 will be displayed to the customer representative. So within that same screen, whichever offers are suitable for that customer who has called, that offers will be displayed on that portal to the agent. This is possible using next best action advisor. Okay, so even if you have to do in your application or in your project also, we can actually connect the Pega marketing with Pega customer service using next best action advisor. So that is what you call it as next best action advisor. Okay, but we don't cover this particular thing in our curriculum. Okay, this is not there in the curriculum. So just try to search for NBA advisor implementation guide. You will find the guide how to implement that. So these are the two portals that we will be covering: marketing portal, CDH portal, and actually prediction studio. Okay, now coming to the next slide. So like I told you, the very important difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing is what? Pega decisioning will identify the next best action. Pega marketing will deliver the next best action. So while delivering, there are two types of Pega marketing are there. First is inbound marketing. Second is outbound marketing. So inbound marketing means customer is contacting the business to buy some product, and the business is actually promoting some other product. Okay, so for example, just the scenario which I just told you. So in this particular customer service scenario, the customer is only calling to the business. Okay, due to some issue that he is facing, the customer is calling to the business. The customer care representative he is calling. After the issue is resolved, the customer care representative, he is trying to do some promotion. This kind of promotion, this kind of marketing, you call it as inbound marketing. Okay, inbound marketing means customer will only contact the business for some reason, then the business will try to do some promotion. Second best example is website. Okay, for example, let us say you are Airtel customer, you are using the Airtel mobile data, so let us say, in order to pay your monthly bill, you are going to the Airtel website. Okay, you paid the monthly bill. After paying the bill, you have seen some offer, something like 2 GB mobile data for free. Okay, so you are interested in that offer and you have taken that. So this is called inbound marketing, because you only went to the business and then you are seeing some promotions. But coming to outbound marketing, business is sending some offers to the customer. The customer did not contact them. Okay, best thing like email. For example, let us say you are a HDFC bank customer. You have an HDFC bank account. So you did not ask for any personal loan or anything, but suddenly today you got some email saying that HDFC bank is giving some personal loan offer with very less interest. You did not contact the bank, you did not contact the business, but they have only sent an email to you. So this kind of marketing, you call it as outbound marketing. Okay, so I hope the difference is clear. Inbound marketing and outbound marketing. So inbound marketing means customer contacting the business. Outbound marketing means business contacting the customer. Okay. So now coming to the channels. In Pega marketing, we have all these channels are there. Channels means how do you send the offer? You send through SMS, you send through email, you send through push notification. Okay, you send through website. All these are called as channels. So in inbound marketing, we have channels like retail. So retail means what? Retail means, for example, let us say you have a DMart nearby your area. You have some DMart. You are going to the DMart address and you are actually purchasing something from that supermarket. So that is called as retail. Retail means the software that is used by the businesses within the physical location. Okay, within the physical location, that you call it as a retail. So for example, let us say you are visiting some cloth store. Okay, so that you call it as a retail here. Okay, so I hope I am clear. So that is called as retail. Second you have is the contact center. Third is website. That is the inbound marketing here. So for outbound marketing, we have something like email, SMS, push notification. Okay, through which the business will send you the offers. Now coming to the other difference, it is used in customer service portal. This is also used in customer service portal. Okay, that means generally when you have inbound calls, customer will call to the customer care. When you have outbound calls, customer care representative will call to the customer. So both of them are there. In inbound marketing, very less marketing efforts are involved. That means, see, generally whenever the business is very new, no one will go to that particular location, no one will go to that particular website, right? But if at all the business is like very old business, something like which is already established, right? For example, if you take DMart or some other Airtel or HDFC Bank, all these, right, they have been established very long and they are already trusted companies and trusted businesses. So in such scenario, instead of they trying to promote, the customer will only go to that particular business. So there is very less marketing effort is needed whenever you are doing inbound marketing. Okay, whenever you are doing inbound marketing, very less effort is needed because customer is only contacting them. But in outbound marketing, a lot of marketing efforts are needed because the business has to do the promotion and customer might not respond. So that is the reason more efforts are needed here. And finally, the business cannot provide. So this is, you can just ignore that. So that is the difference between inbound marketing and outbound marketing. So I hope it is clear, all these particular slides that we have seen. Just to review at a high level, so just we will see again. Okay, so we have next best action, which means right offer to the right customer at right time. And we have, this is the simple scenario which will cover decisioning and marketing. First the customer will see the website, the decisioning will generate the offer, that generated offer will be sent to the customer through email using Pega marketing. So these are the differences in Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Pega decisioning is used to identify the next best action. Pega marketing is used to deliver the next best action. We have CDH administrators, market administrators. Administrators will have access to Dev Studio. Analysts will not have access to Dev Studio. That means they cannot write any data transforms, activities or cases, SLA, this kind of things they cannot do. So then we have PCDC certification, which covers both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Now we have the CDH. CDH will take the data about customer, what is his income, when he has purchased the offer, which time he has purchased, what is his salary, all these things it will take and it will give the best offer as output. So we have CDH portal. that is used both by Pega marketing and Pega decisioning. Within the same portal, some places will be disabled, some places will be enabled. Now we have Prediction Studio also, then we have NBA Advisor and the differences between inbound and outbound. Now coming to the practice way, how do we practice the daily sessions? How do we actually configure the rules? So we have actually ruled out Pega Personal Edition. There are some issues when you install CDH in your Personal Edition. So there is no concept of installing CDH there. So how do we practice is using Cloud Edition. So I'll just share you the link how to access the Cloud Edition. There are multiple links are there, but I will use generally this one. I will use it. So this is the link. I am pasting it in the chat. So how to access the Pega CDH cloud version is go to this particular link. I pasted it in the chat as well. Log into your ID, your account. After logging in, click on Wake Up. Okay, click on Wake Up Pega. Okay, click on Wake Up Pega. So just you need to wait for a few minutes. And if you just come here, this is the URL that you need to go. Log in with your Pega credentials, PDN credentials, and the username is CDH administrator. Password is rules. Okay, just try to copy this into some notepad or something. Okay, just try to copy this into somewhere where you can access it, because this is how you practice the CDH sessions every day. So now you see I got one launch button. You need to click on this launch button. Okay, it will take some few minutes to start the CDH cloud edition. Okay, so you can actually see it will take some time. After that it will start the CDH. Okay, so any questions till whatever we learned today? So I'll just if there are no questions, I'll just start. Yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. No questions from anyone? Okay, so like I told you, this particular course is organized for 45 hours. Initially, we will be learning Pega decisioning. After Pega decisioning, we will go into Pega marketing. So first we will complete most of the Pega decisioning topics like strategies, models, all these kind of things. Then later we will start with Pega marketing. So after we complete all this particular curriculum, so like you can see whatever the curriculum that we are going to cover, all of them are mentioned here. So once we complete this curriculum, we will have POC sessions. Okay, we'll have POC sessions. That is like a scenario based session. We'll take a scenario and we'll try to configure that. After that, I will provide you the certification dumps. You will go through the dumps and you will attempt for certifications. That is PCDC certification. After certification, you will be getting sample CPDC projects. That sample CPDC projects, you can keep it in your resume. Okay, you can keep it in your resume. So then the course will be completed. So that is the organized, how it is organized. Yeah, so we have a question here. Will it be different from Pega developer role? Like I complete CPDC course with different roles? Yeah. Yeah, in CPDC you have two types of roles, like I just showed you before. The CDH admin, market admin. So if at all you are a Pega decisioning role, you will be assigned to CDH admin. If at all you are a Pega marketing role, you will be assigned to market admin. Okay, so market admin means you are a Pega marketing person. CDH admin means you are actually a CD developer decisioning. So generally most of the projects, either you will be decisioning or you will be marketing, but generally you will not be in both of them. Okay, you will not be in both of them. You will either be decisioning or you will either be marketing, depending on your interest, which one is passionate for you, you can go for that particular thing. Okay, so now the cloud edition is launched. Okay, the cloud edition is launched. Okay, I just came here, I clicked on the wake up button, then I clicked on launch button. It will take some 5 minutes and it will launch the system. Now you need to click on this Pega CRM suite. Click on the Pega CRM suite. After that, log in with the ID I gave you, CDH administrator, password is rules. Please copy this thing in your notepad or somewhere so that you can practice every day using these credentials. So immediately when I log in, it is taking me to customer decision hub. Okay, now this is how the customer decision hub looks like. On the left side of the screen you will see all this navigation here. Now if I have to go to the Dev Studio, you need to click on this intelligence and click on prediction studio. So you see now I have accessed the prediction studio. Now after accessing prediction studio, you can actually see that there is a drop down right here where you can actually switch to the Dev Studio. So that is how, as an administrator, you can access Dev Studio and also CDH portal. Okay, both of them you can access it. Now coming to the analyst, we have a role for analyst also. So I'm just posting it in the chat. Please copy that as well. So that is CRM marketing analyst. Password is rules. This is a marketing role actually. This is a marketing role. So now you notice that I am logging in with analyst role. Previously I logged in as administrator. Now I logged in as analyst. Now if you go to the intelligence prediction studio, so actually generally, in general perspective, most of your weightage is given to Pega marketing. Okay, even in your certification also, if you try to compare the curriculum with the Pega certification, 65% of your certification topics are Pega marketing. Okay, 65% of your Pega topics are Pega marketing only. So very much importance is given to Pega marketing. So your projects also, most of the projects will be into Pega marketing, but that is only very less difference, you can say. Okay, around 60 to 65% is Pega marketing, and 35 to 40% is into Pega decisioning. So your projects also will be the same way. It's not like 50-50. Okay, so 60%, almost 60 plus will be Pega marketing only. So you see now, I logged in as analyst. I don't see this particular switch icon, so I cannot switch to the Dev Studio. Okay, so because I logged in as analyst, so that's what I told you. Analyst will not have access to Dev Studio. Admin will have access to Dev Studio, where he can do all the developer related rules as well. So so this is what you can see actually now. On the left side, you see I have campaigns. When I click on campaigns, you can see I have a option called campaigns. That means I can create campaigns as a CRM marketing analyst. Now let us say I log off. I log in as CDH administrator, password as rules. Okay, I am logging in as CDH administrator. Now if you go to the left side, I have campaigns, but when I expand campaigns, you see there is no campaigns here, right? You see there is no campaigns here. So that's what I told you, right? Depending on the role that you have, some features which are present in the navigation will be disabled and hidden, and some features will be enabled for you. Okay, so because you are a CDH person, campaigns is purely Pega marketing topic. Okay, campaigns is purely Pega marketing topic. That's the reason when I logged in as CDH, I'm not able to see the campaigns and everything. But when I log in as marketing, I'm able to see that particular thing. Okay, so that's what is the difference between CDH and marketing. Okay, so yeah, probably we can have a stop here, and tomorrow we will actually create a new application, and we will go through most of the features and the navigation that we have. Okay, so for today it's just an introduction and the overview of the portal. So tomorrow we will create our application. We will see how to create decisioning application. All these things we will be seeing it. Okay, so meanwhile, if you have any questions or any concerns, just let me know. We'll discuss it now. Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hi Aparna, please tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. So you will be sharing the recordings after this class, right?
Right, right.
Yeah. Okay.
So this particular demo will happen till Friday. Okay, you will have demo session today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. After day after tomorrow, you can enroll to the course with the help of organizer by Saturday or Sunday. From Monday onwards, the WhatsApp group will be created with the people who have enrolled, and we will share the recordings in the WhatsApp group as well as email. Okay, so you will be getting recordings, you will be getting the PPTs, everything. So the PPT which I am showing you, right, this one, all the PPTs also you will be getting it to you. Okay, but remember that the demo sessions will happen only today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. After that, you need to enroll to the course. Okay, and this is a 100% certification program. Let's say you want to clear your certification with the help of agent. That provision is also there. If you want to write it yourself, you can write it. Otherwise, you can take the help from agent also. Okay, so yeah, so that is the provisions that we have as part of this curriculum. And any other questions?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please tell me.
How much cost the CPDC certification? Once
Yeah,
course
that
is completed.
yeah, that the organizer will let you know coming to the training, but the certification, I think it will cost you around 18,000, I believe. Okay, it is 17 to 18,000 because the dollar price is very high right now. So it is around 18,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have one question here.
Yeah.
How is the scope in Pega marketing versus decisioning roles and decisioning? Okay. Yeah, there are very much lot of roles are there. Okay. So there is very high demand is there for Pega decisioning and marketing. You might have been aware of that. Okay, lot of roles are there for Pega decisioning and marketing also, but we don't have enough resources. Okay, definitely you will be in very high demand, and as per the demand, your salary will also be high compared to other people. So that is for sure. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Ravi. My name is Kumar.
Yeah.
So I
Hi,
have a
Kumar.
question. Yeah.
Yes.
So can we get this software, decisioning software installed on our personal edition?
No, we don't have the provision to install on personal edition. You need to practice in cloud edition.
Okay. So any
Okay.
sample
So
application?
one good thing is,
Mhm.
all Pega decisioning features, all Pega decisioning topics, you can actually learn in persuasion also. Okay, so if you see right here, see in Pega decisioning, what do we have? We have this adaptive model, predictive model. You see this prediction studio will be there in your personalization. You can add it. Okay, if it is not there, you can add that portal. Second thing, what you will have is you will have something like strategies. So if you go to decision, you see you have all these things, right? Adaptive model is there, predictive model is there, strategy is there. Okay, all Pega decisioning topics are there in personal edition. The only thing that is not there is the Pega marketing, for which you need to use cloud. Okay.
Okay. But can we have any sample application already built which can be uh, used as a reference, like how the things work in the back end?
Sample application. Uh, Actually, this is sample application only, which I'm showing you.
Yep. Yeah,
So
but this is in cloud environment, right?
yeah, this is cloud environment. You can take the export. You can export this application. Okay, you can go
Okay.
to application distribution, export it. But this is sample application only. There are some models are there. There are some strategies. Everything is there in this one. Okay, so there are some offers. Everything are created here in the sample application. You can just export this application.
Okay. But what I see is like we need to have different nodes for data flows, real-time processing and all. We need some configuration, right?
Yeah, without that also, I'll tell you how we can achieve that in tomorrow's session.
Okay.
Yes. So this cloud is not having any nodes for data flow and all that. So
Yeah,
how to get everything configured, I'll explain you tomorrow.
sure.
Okay, so we will actually see about node classification, how to set up the environment for Pega decisioning, what all services are needed, how to set up those services. All these things we'll be seeing tomorrow, and after that we will create our application. Okay, so just don't miss tomorrow's session as well. Please make sure that every one of you attend the tomorrow session as well.
Yeah. One last question, Ravi. This is regarding the training time you said, right? Do you have anything in the evening time?
No, no, we don't have anything.
Okay.
Evening.
How about public holidays? Like,
Public holidays will be holiday only.
okay, so
We
Monday
don't
to
have any
Friday?
session.
Yeah.
Yes, Monday to Friday. And Friday, you will be getting one assignment, which will be covering whatever we learned that particular week. Okay, you
Okay.
can practice that assignment in your cloud edition.
Yeah, but recently what I see is like this Pega yeah, listening, there's new version, right? 8.7. 8.6 got decommissioned.
Yeah, we will see the features that are there in 8.7. So we'll cover those.
Okay, so the materials is up to date to the
Yes, yes, yes.
8.7, right? Yeah, okay.
Okay, fine then. Thank you all for joining.
Maybe one last question.
Yes. Yeah, please tell.
After getting into the project, what role either the decisioning person or content marketing person will they play? Because I have worked for 2 to 3 projects, I never come across with the people with the
Just like,
CPDC certificate.
yeah, just like how you
Will they
have
work with
CSS.
the
Yeah, just like how you have CSS, CWSA, you have like decisioning consultant, senior decisioning consultant, lead decisioning consultant. Same way, probably you will have something like marketing consultant, senior marketing consultant, and lead marketing consultant. Generally, this is how the roles will be. Okay, marketing consultant means junior level marketing. Senior marketing means senior level marketing person. Lead means you are like a lead person. Okay, like tech lead, like that you will.
okay. Will they work with the development team?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Okay.
so you need to do development just because you are marketing. It's not like we don't do any development. We do development. You need to create API. You need to create REST integration. All this you will do, but that will be only
Mhm.
30 to 40% of your work. So remaining 60 to 70 will be Pega marketing, Pega decisioning. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So we are out of time. So we'll again start tomorrow, and we can discuss any further questions tomorrow. Please join at the same time, 8 o'clock. See you all.